What's up, guys? Today we are going to be trying not to laugh to funny animals. This is going to be pretty hard. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and we're going right to it. This poor dog. This is like me trying to get out of bed on Mondays, going to school. What is this kid doing? Oh, I've kind of did this before. At the beach, we kind of did like that. And I went under it, and I almost got stuck. The dog's already learning how to swim. Oh, that's so cute. That's really cute. Oh my gosh, lawn service, guys. Horrible. They're trying to ruin my videos. Can you hear that? That dog looks scared. That was kind of like me in the Florida Keys when it was like getting really murky in the water, and I was getting like really scared of sharks, and you'd have to force me in. I didn't go in though. Oh my gosh. What is this dog doing? We used to have a dog like this. I used to grab the hose. I used to squirt it up in the air.
I'm Mark, and I quit smoking with Chantix. I tried.
There's an ad, so I had to skip. Sorry. Oh! That raft looks pretty cool. What is it doing? Sorry guys that the background's a little bright. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Come on, Shay. Well, you just gotta jump. Look, we got these two up here. They made it. Come on.
He's gonna fall, I think.
Good girl.
No! It fell. Oh my gosh. Huh. Ooh.
What happened? Help him, Mama, help him. Lexi! Help, dig, Lexi, dig. Close your mouth.
Oh my gosh. How did you do this? Like, get in the sand. I mean, oh my gosh. That's a ghost dog.